Hey guys, and welcome back. This is Safe, and today I'm gonna show you how you can deal with problematic projects using Airtable. In the previous video we have discussed the main features of Airtable, and now we will discuss how you can track projects which have problem with their accomplishment using Airtable. So we will do this from two perspectives. The first one is the views perspective, and the second one is the automations perspective. So using views to actually identify projects which have problem with their accomplishment, you can use one of the views which are preset using Airtable, like for example this fourth view which says what tasks are still due. So in this view it removes all the tasks which are completed, like execute survey for example. If we went to the view number 4, you will not find this project because it's actually accomplished. So here it only shows you the projects which have a problem or which are not yet accomplished. So if you want to filter them based on the status and it's only the delayed tasks which appear to you, you can go to filter, then choose which status, and instead of using is not, you can go and use is, and finally you can choose delayed. So here you will find the projects which have a problem with their accomplishment. You can also create a view from scratch by going to create here. So I can, for example, choose a Kanban view and choose it to be personal, then create new view from which you will be asked what is the field that you want to track, and here I will choose status. Then you can see all your own projects related to their own status, and on the rightmost you can see the delayed projects. You can also filter them from here and add a condition, let's say where status is delayed, and you will only find the one which is delayed here, and the rest of the other ones are empty. So this is from the views perspective. From automations perspective, we can go to automations here, where we will have to set a sequence of steps that will be automatically activated once a specific trigger happens. So here you can see that there are many triggers that are suggested by Airtable. So I am interested to get a notification once the status is delayed. So I can just choose when a record matches conditions and click on it. Then I will choose the record to be, I will choose first the table to be tasks, timelines, and assignees. Then I will choose the condition that when status is delayed, this is my own trigger. Now I need to identify my own action which will happen once this trigger is activated, and this is gonna be send an email for example, and then I will have to identify to which person this email will be sent. So let's say for example I will use, first I need to identify the email, so I will go and write my own email that I'm interested to send the notification to, like that. Then I will have to identify the CC, BCC, and I can also identify the subject. So let's say delayed project. Then I can identify the message as well. And once I'm done, I can go and click on generate a preview. Then it will test it, and it will ask, and it will show me the email that will be sent to the email that I have identified now. So this is the preview, and this is how your automation will work. And this is how easy you can track your own. Before we end this tutorial, you need first to set your own automation to live. So I will switch it to on. So once any specific status happens and to delayed, the email will be sent successfully. And this is how easy you can track problematic projects using Airtable. So that's it for this video, guys. If you found this content helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in future tutorials. Until then, take care and goodbye.